Running a business means taking risk. But if you've taken the right insurance cover for your commercial vehicle, it means you'll have peace of mind no matter what happens on the road. Dear Wealth Protector, welcome back to our class. And in our today's class, we are going to learn about commercial vehicle. And this commercial vehicle, whether they are carrying your own goods or carrying goods for other people, getting the right insurance cover is very important. And that is what we want to discuss today. So keep it here if you're a commercial owner, if you're an insurance agent, or if you intend to join this business of doing commercial vehicles that are carrying goods, either yours or for other people. If you are new to this channel, don't mind, subscribe down there so that in case we upload a new class or a new video, you'll be able to get it at the right time. Welcome. So vehicles that are carrying goods, they are classified into two, and one is vehicles that are carrying goods for the owner of that vehicle. They are called own goods, and the insurance that you can give to that vehicle is called own goods insurance. And those vehicles that are being used to carry other people's goods or for hire or reward, the commercial vehicle, you can give them an insurance which is called general cartage that can give you a total protection so that in case of any loss or any damage to that vehicle on the road, or in case of anything, you'll be compensated and be taken back to where you were financially. In what circumstance can you say you are having a vehicle that is carrying your own goods? If you have wholesale, if you have a farm that is producing products and you are carrying your products to the market or to the supplier, if you have a retail shop, if you have a supermarket and you've owned a motor commercial vehicle, so the goods that you are carrying will belong to you. That means you can purchase a cover that is called commercial owned goods. But in a situation where you bought a vehicle and you park it somewhere, people come and carry their own goods to any place that they want, or you've just bought vehicles and hire it out to a company that company will use to carry their own goods to supply to people, the best insurance you can give is called general cartage. And we are going to learn why the insurance industry, they decided to classify the commercial vehicle that way. The best reason that you can give there is the risk that the insurance company will be exposed to is different. Here are the two reasons why buying the right insurance cover for the right usage of your vehicle is critical. Number one is legal compliance. It means if you are using the right vehicle with the right insurance cover, you'll have complied with the contract that you signed with the underwriter. So in case of anything, you'll be compensated. But in a situation where you don't get the right cover for the right usage of your vehicle, the insurance company will conclude that you have breached the contract that you signed, and in case there is loss, in case there's an accident, you will not be compensated, and that one will be a double loss to you. You shall have lost in premium and also your vehicle at the same time. So the best thing you can do is to make sure when you're going to buy a commercial insurance for your vehicle, make sure you get the right insurance cover for your vehicle and pay the right premium. This one, you can easily get this financial advice from an insurance agent or an insurance broker. And we also insurance agents who are working in Kenya. We trade using the name of bonfriinsurance agency. So feel free to contact us if you don't have an agent to service your insurance needs. Reason number two is risk protection. And that is why I said we are going to know what the reason why the insurance company will charge differently those vehicles that are carrying own goods and the vehicles that are carrying other people's goods. The risk that is exposed to those vehicles that are carrying own goods is low. The reason is that you will find that maybe the driver who is going to drive that vehicle is one driver within a long period, or maybe the owner of the vehicle who is the one who is driving that vehicle. The distance and the geographical area where this vehicle will be driven is well known with both the driver and the owner of the vehicle. And the timing and how to track the movement of that vehicle is very easy. That is why you will realize that the insurance underwriters will charge lower premium to those commercial vehicles that are carrying own goods. But those vehicles that are doing general cartage, those vehicles that are carrying goods for other people, the risk is high here because, one, if that vehicle is hired to a known person, the road where that vehicle is going to be driven is not well known to the driver. The geographical place, it may be risky. It can be a place where the Al-Shabaabs are, or the terrorists, or those people who are shifters. You will find that the exposure that you will expose to your vehicle when you are hiring out is high, because maybe the person who is going to carry those goods, the distance, timing, it will not be easy to track that vehicle very well. And sometimes those vehicles that are doing long distance, the commercial vehicles that are operating in long distance, you may find that they have 3 to 4 drivers who may not be able to know how to manage the movement of that vehicle, or the mechanical problem that can arise in that vehicle, and that one can sometimes bring a mechanical default that can result to accident on the road. That is why the general cartage is usually being charged higher in terms of premium. And in fact, if you look at even the frequency that the vehicle is being used is very high. So the exposure of that vehicle on the road is high. The exposure of that vehicle to other risks is also high. That is why if you bought a vehicle that is operating as a general cartage vehicle carrying goods for other people, make sure you get the right insurance cover for that vehicle, so that in case of anything you are compensated. Sometimes you'll realize that like banks and SACCOs, they'll usually stress that in case they finance a vehicle that is going to carry goods for other people, they'll make sure that vehicle has a general cartage insurance, so that in case of anything, they don't lose. Remember, I said here that in case you get the wrong cover for your vehicle, and the insurance company, if they refuse to honor a claim that you registered for your loss, you are going to lose twice. You're going to lose premium that you paid. You're also going to lose your vehicle, or you'll repair your vehicle on your own. So protect your business, protect your wealth, so that you make sure you don't get break in operating in your business. So, dear wealth protector, you'll also remember that all motor vehicle, they have 2 types of insurance cover that you can give. The moment you decided to buy either on goods or general cartage, there are 2 types of insurance, and one of them is third party only, and that one is enforced by law. Especially in Kenya, we have the law that was passed by members of parliament, Third Party Act Cap 405 of Law of Kenya, that says that if you buy a motor vehicle, you must make sure you have a minimum insurance cover that is third party only. So you can put a third party only for either on goods or general cartage, and make sure you pay the right premium so that you feel protected. Remember, third party will protect you against the third party liabilities that can arise from either your vehicle injuring somebody, either outside or inside, or damaging property for other third parties. Another product that you can buy after you've chosen the right cover or for the use of your vehicle is comprehensive, and this one you can get more benefit. It includes the third party benefit and also benefit of your vehicle being repaired after a road accident, total loss. You will be given another vehicle. You'll be given money to buy another vehicle if the vehicle is stolen, if the vehicle get burnt. You also stand to get more benefit by adding an additional cover in your comprehensive vehicle. We've taught those additional cover in this channel. You can look for those video, and the additional cover that you can enjoy by paying additional premium is windscreen cover. You can add an additional premium that is 10% of the value of your windscreen radio cassette. You can also add a premium of 10% of that value. Loss of use, in that in case your vehicle get involved in an accident, and by the time that your vehicle is being prepared or before you are paid a total loss, the insurance company will now give you the income that the vehicle was giving you. It's called loss of use. And then you can also get an extension of political violence and terrorism, that is PVT. You can also extend a cover to your employees, that the driver and the conductor. You buy them a personal accident cover by paying either 3,000, you can pay 6,000, depending with your pocket. You can also still extend a cover for passenger legal liability for the loaders and make sure your loaders are also protected in case they get injured when they are traveling with their vehicle to offload, to load the goods into your vehicle, so that in case of anything, that is passenger legal liability is usually 500 per person. If they are 2, you'll pay 1,000. If they are 4, you'll pay 2,000. So make sure you first of all get the right cover for the usage of your vehicle, then make sure you can get those extensions so that you feel protected. There's something I'm also forgetting here. Excess protector is very important, because if you don't extend your comprehensive motor vehicle cover with excess protector, it means in case of any claim, the insurance company will ask you to also contribute by paying an excess fee to your claim. So make sure you do that, but you can easily enjoy this one if you have an agent to help you manage those things financially, and you'll use most of your time to invest in your business and improve on your earnings. Now we come to the end of our class. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumb. You can share, you can give us a comment. If you have any question concerning risk protection or insurance, give us a comment down there. We're going to leave our contact down in the description box there. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and keep it here always. Make sure you protect your business, get the right cover, pay the right premium, and enjoy doing business. See you in our next video. Thank you for playing our video.